My dear friends, this is the part 2. Today we are knowing by reading. Every success story is also a story of the great failures. So in the last class, we learnt about the Abraham Lincoln and Lady Forrest. And already now you know who is the Abraham Lincoln. He was died, but who was the Abraham Lincoln? Abraham Lincoln was the great president of America. So next one is the Lady Forrest, who had invented the tire tube, and he helped the society, he helped to the total all over the world, he helped that. Why? Because of his invention, tires tube only today we are having all these kind of the digital electronical things, we will have that. The smartphone or the radio, television, movies, everything also depend upon the tires tube only. Phone, cell phone, everything also depend upon that tires tube only. So yesterday we learnt about, in the last class we learnt about the Abraham Lincoln, and second one is the Lady Forrest. And they also faced the failures, but finally they succeeded. And again here you see 5 great persons are here. They are also failure many times, but finally they are succeeded. That means we may get the failures, but always try until you are succeeded. And these are what are their attitudes now you see. What are their works? What are their attitudes? We have to see that. And already I told in the last class about the Abraham Lincoln. Nearly 9 times he was failed. Nearly 30 to 40 years life he was totally failed. Finally he was become a president of the America. And now we go to the first one, Wright brothers. Do you know who are the Wright brothers? Do you know who are the Wright brothers? The flights, aeroplanes, flights. The flight is invented by the Wright brothers. In the 1903, when it is invented, at the moment some of the people they will criticize them. How the one iron engine, once upon a time we will go anywhere only by the bullock carts and horse and carts only, we will go everywhere. And after that the car is made, and the buses, rail engines, car is made. And coming to the flight, in the 1903, when the one newspaper said, how is it possible to fly in the air? How is it possible? It is not very possible. For example, it is a car, it will go on a road. It is a train, it will go on a track. But how is it possible to fly in the air? How it is possible? But here Wright brothers, those are the 2 brothers, they are doing experiment, they are doing how to fly in the air. They are trying and trying there. However, they want to construct that flight. Decided, we have to, whatever it may be, we have to make the flight. They decided. But after so many experiments, so many years, they are succeeded. Their first flight that flew into the air, it flew into the air, only for the few seconds only it is flew in the air. But so many people told them, it is the failure, the flight cannot go into the air. Some are positive people, negative people. Already I told you in the last class, already I told you, some are positive people, some are negative people. The positive people, they will think it will be done, they will think. Negative people, they will think it don't happen. Do not, they are the negative. The positive people always they think it will be done. The negative people always they will think it is not done. They are negative people. In our students also, in our people also, in our also, some are positive, some are negative. The positive people are always they win. The negative people always they are failure. So be positive. So when Wright brothers they are trying to fly in the air, so many people laughed at them. How is it possible? How the iron mission, it is not a bird to fly in the air. How the iron mission, how can it will fly in the air? They laughed at them. But they did not see, they are laughing or anything, they did not see. Finally, the first flight was, it is flown in the air. Possible. What they thought it is impossible, they thought. All the people thought it is an impossible thought. Even the newspaper also said it is the impossible. But finally they are succeeded, Wright brothers. Now we are going to, so now not you and me, so many people nowadays they are going to the other countries, America, Canada, all over the world, they are going by the flight only because of these Wright brothers' dedication. So many people said, not done, not done, not done, not done, it is a failure, it is people. But their dedication finally succeeded. And go to the Colonel Sanders. And it is also a different story. He is the scientist. These are the scientists, for example, these are the scientists, but he is not the scientist. He was a failed person. He started his business. In the business totally he lost everything except one and a damaged car, old car only he had. He had no money, no dollars. What to do, what to do, what to do, what to do. Because in the business totally he lost. What to do? So then, after some time he was thinking of what to do, thinking of, then he got one idea. Yes, I know my mother's chicken recipe. Fried chicken. My mother told me how to make the fried chicken. And why don't I try in that way? Why don't I try? And if I cook that fried chicken, if I make the fried chicken, will the people want to accept that? So, with the idea, first he had started. Fried chicken. Chicken recipe, fried chicken. And he went to the each and every door only telling them, and do you want the fried chicken? Do you want the fried chicken? Do you want the fried chicken? Going to the every door. First 1, 2, 3, 4 they rejected. No, we don't want fried chicken. They said. They don't know what is the taste of the fried chicken, they don't know. The taste is very nice. Because he is very confident, the people will buy it. He was very confident. Why? Because it is the very tasty, the people will buy it, he is the confident. And went to the first house, they said no. Second house, they said no. 10, 20s, 40s, 100 houses, nobody has taken. But finally, after the 1,000 times attempts, finally somebody has taken his fried chicken. They tasted, they said it is a very super, tomorrow once again you come, we will get it. They said very well. His business was grown like that only. Now, we will see in all the towns, in the cities, in all over the world, we will see his fried chicken, we will see, that is called the KFC. KFC, Korean fried chicken, otherwise Kentucky fried chicken it is. Now it is available all over the world. If you want to eat, go to Nalgonda and eat there. Go to Miryalaguda, eat there. It is very tasty, different. So he nearly 1,000 visited the 1,000 houses he visited. Finally he got one order, and after that he did not look at the back, and now its business is nearly in crores of the dollars. Its business is, you see, a small idea they got, fried chicken. Because of the fried chicken, because of that only, and he had earned so many billions of the dollars he earned that. He had failed for the 1,000 times, but after that he was succeeded. Walt Disney, he was a cartoonist. Do you know who is the cartoonist? Who will draw the cartoons? He is called the cartoonist. He is the very poor. At least he don't have anything to eat that one only. What to do? He was thinking, he went to so many newspapers, I will draw the cartoons for you, he said. They said, no, there is no any talent in you, they said. So what to do? He was thinking of one day, the church father invited him, and they painted the walls. And on the walls he said them, draw some cartoons. He requested this Walt Disney. You are a cartoonist. I think you have to draw the beautiful cartoons. You have to draw like that only, he told. And the idea he was thinking of in what way I have to draw the cartoons. Which cartoons are attracted by all the people. Then he thought, at the moment, there in the corner, a small mouse, a small rat, it is going from here to there only. And when he had seen the small mouse he had seen, he got the idea, yes, why don't I take the small mouse as one subject. So the small mouse and a cat. He had taken the two subjects, he had taken small mouse and the cat. The fight between the cat and the rat, the subject he had taken, he had drawn so many cartoons. Because of that, Mickey Mouse, already you know, Mickey Mouse cartoon we will see. If you open the Google, you will see the Mickey Mouse. How the rat and the cat, how they will fight only. And finally he was also succeeded. Now, it is a great really great land. Disneyland also is there. On the Disneyland also is there in America. And just like a Ramoji Film City here, just like in the Disney also in America, there is a great firm is there. So that means he was also succeeded. Seeing the one small rat, taking the as a subject age, finally he was succeeded because of the thought. And Thomas Edison, do you know who he is? Thomas Edison, who had invented the